Here we're looking at the dollar, and we're starting to see this try to struggle back a little bit, trying to come back after a pretty good correction. We're seeing it try to really get back to this 98 level. This is where there was some significant resistance, but overall, we're still in a downtrend. So I think this is still in a downtrend, and I think that, as I said with the euro, it has a better shot of moving up. So I'm thinking is if this can get past the uh, 98 level, then I would be really thinking long the dollar. But at this point, I think it's very susceptible to continued action here. Now, keep in mind, though, this has been very bullish, and we're seeing a deep corrective kind of scenario here as it kind of does, this trying to really figure out how deep is it going to go, how long is it going to correct, and is it going to try to make the move. Now, I think the one interesting point here is as long as it can kind of hold this 92 and 90 level. I know that's a big, some may be a big range. It depends because we're talking in the future here, and we're at 96 right now. It's pretty far ahead. So as long as it can kind of hold that, you still have an opportunity for this to try to turn and make that turn because in technical terms, you're still in the correction. And it makes sense that it's doing this because it's been in a decline for a while, and then now you see this, it had a nice, very, very big move. Everybody starts to get on. They think it's going to continue to higher. It doesn't. They get concerned. They get out. Then it start, they say, wow, it's pretty cheap. It's back to these levels. Let's try to get on board. They do it again, hopes that it starts to break these highs. It doesn't happen. They get out, and it starts to this scenario going. It's still in kind of this channel formation. So until it can really break out of that, we're still in that kind of sideways downward correction. So you would anticipate downward move back into the 94 to 92 level.